Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a security camera from a company called Baseus. This is the Baseus Security S1 outdoor camera 2K. So the resolution it's 2K high definition, automatic sound powered tracking system. So that's one of the features that this camera has compared to other cameras. Has some sensors on the top right here. You can see one right here. And this solar panel on the top rotates according to the position of the sun, so we'll always maximize the battery power. The most important three features of the camera are down here. So we got forever power, built-in 8 gigabytes of storage, and 145 degrees wide angle filming. So it will capture most of the stuff that's happening in front of the camera. It also works with Google Home and Amazon Alexa assistants. This is how the camera looks. Right here we have a picture on the box. If we have a look on the back of the box right here, we have some more features. So as I said, sound power tracking system, 2K clarity with 145 degrees field of vision, colorful night vision, so it's got an infrared sensor, built to last in any weather. So this is an outdoor camera. Even if it rains, like I'm in England for example, it rains a lot, this camera will always last. It's built really good. So for now, let's go ahead and open the box. I'm going to show you guys what you get inside, how the camera looks like, and after that I will mount the camera system and I'm going to show you guys how everything looks like, and I will show you their app, because this company has an app. Not sure where it is. Right here, if you scan this QR code, you can get the Baseus security app where you can add your cameras, you can connect it to Alexa, you can check your footage. Most of the other companies, for example Ring, they make you pay a monthly fee so you can watch the footage. This company doesn't. They have a built-in 8 gigabyte storage. They will film something basically, and after a while it will get deleted and film over it and film over it and so on, so on. So that's a really nice feature. So yeah, let's go ahead and unpack it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside the box. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what you get. We get a quick start guide with pictures, and it's in different languages so you can understand the capabilities of this camera and what it can do. I suggest you give this a read. As always, it will help you get set up way quicker. We have a sticker with some cutouts right here. I don't know if the camera can focus on it, but it's got two small cutouts. Basically, you place this on the wall and it will help you drill the holes that you need in order for you to align the camera perfectly with the mount. So this is the mount. These are the two holes. So basically it will be something like this. You drill the holes in those cutouts, then you screw this in, use this mount right here, screw it to the back of the camera, which I'm going to show you in a second here, and that's it. That's how you mount it. It's really simple. All the screws and everything you need are included right here. You might need a drill bit or an impact to obviously screw them in. It comes with a pretty long USB Type A to USB Type C charging cable. As I said before, using this, it's recommended to charge for at least 6 hours before the first use. And this is how the camera looks like. You have the two sensors right here and right here on the top. You have the solar panel on the top right here. Everything is built pretty nice. It's got a nice weight to it, and they use good quality materials. These are the sensors right here of the camera. So if we peel this off, there we go. This is the main camera and the main infrared sensor right there. We also have a speaker because this camera supports dual-way audio, so you can talk to the person that's in front of the camera from your phone. And right here we have a watertight seal, which under it we will have, one second, we'll have the USB Type-C charging port, and we will have a sync button. Whenever you want to connect the camera to the app, you have to press that sync button for 5 seconds. You will make a beep. and if you turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, it should be ready to go. It's pretty simple to set up. So yeah, basically that's it. That's what you get inside the box. I am going to go ahead right now and mount it. I have two of them. I'm gonna mount them and I'm gonna show you guys how they look like, and I'm gonna show you guys what you can do within the app. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so I have installed the camera successfully. If you have a brick house, you will have to drill some holes, but they included a sticker to align it perfectly. One camera is here and the other camera it's on this side, where right now at this time of the day the sun actually hits the solar panel. Everything is included. It took me maybe 25 minutes to install both of them, so it's not that time consuming. It's really simple, and pretty much that's how they look. And one is filming my driveway and the other one is filming the driveway and a part of the street. So right now let's go ahead and get back in the house, and I'm gonna show you guys the app and what you can do with the cameras. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so now that you guys seen the cameras outside, how they are mounted and how they look like, let me go ahead and show you guys the app. It's called Baseus Security. All you have to do is create an account. If you want to add cameras, you press this plus button right here, not the messages, sorry. Plus button, you select the camera that you want. In my case, I have the S1 outdoor camera. It's gonna tell you where you want to add it. And on the back of the camera you have a sync button. You press that for a couple of seconds, you're gonna hear something. You enable Bluetooth on your phone and make sure Wi-Fi is on, and that's it. Just some easy steps. All my cameras are connected right now. So for example, the driveway camera, which looks straight down to my driveway, there you go. So you can zoom in, you can hold to speak, you can start recording, capture like a photo, you can mute it, you can go full screen, you can enable the floodlight, you can make an alert, so the camera is gonna beep continuously until you turn this down, and you can enable or disable night vision. Of course right now it's day, so there's no point doing that. Some really nice features, to be honest. You can also set up activity zones. I have 3 cameras. One of it is not mounted yet, but I'm gonna mount it soon. All the 2 cameras are mounted. They are connected to my home Wi-Fi, and yeah, they just look great. The quality, it's absolutely amazing. Like, you can see everything. You have some more features within the app. You have an event list. It's gonna show you when someone passes. That was me earlier recording the videos. And security, you go for example to the left camera, you can set like a profile, home, away, schedule, and the sun. If you want to arm the whole alarm system, just put it on away. It's gonna send you more notification. It's gonna record more. If you're at home, just set it on home. It's gonna still send you notification. It sends me notifications maybe every couple of minutes. And I had them mounted for a couple of days, and the batteries are still 100% and 98%. 98% on the one that the sun doesn't have full power on the solar panel. So it doesn't necessarily need to be sunny. As long as there's light, the solar panel rotates with the camera, which is absolutely great. And yeah, pretty much that's it with the app. You got a service right here. If you need any help, this is their number right here. You can click on any product that you need support. They're gonna try to answer as soon as possible. You got a live chat, you got a feedback button as well. And pretty much that's it. If you guys want to buy them, I am going to have a link in the video description down below with a discount code as well, so you guys can get them 10% cheaper. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.